Hello, ma'am.
Yes, hello.
May I know your name?
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Bhagyashree Bansali.
Where do you stay, ma'am?
I'm here staying in Mulund itself, around Swapnanagari.
Okay, and what is the age of your child?
My child is 9 years old. My son Aditya has been coming over here for last around 5 odd years.
Okay, so what kind of a classes were you looking out for your son?
Yeah, when we started coming to PAC, the idea was to expose him to as many activities as he can, because it was around 5 years back. तभी वो hardly 4-5 साल का था. So we just wanted to give him as much exposure as he could, and we found that it was the best thing that under one roof he could see so many activities.
Okay.
That's why we started with PAC when we started 5 years back.
Fine. So before finalizing on PAC, did you consider some other classes as well in options?
Of course. The classes at that time which were available then, none of them had this facility that your child is taken care of, say, for around 2.5 hours with proper activity guidance. So when we consider all other things, we found the central location as well as the activities very appealing.
Okay. So out of your personal experience, what are the two best things you feel about Potential Activity Center?
Yeah, best thing is, first of all, they allow the kid to be he himself. There is no pressure on the child to do this way or that way. Even when there are performances for the parents to come and see how the child has done, we have always been told not to compare. So every child has been allowed to flourish the way he or she likes it. And second best part is, each child is taken care of on a family basis. Each child is considered like a part of family. So they don't feel sort of they're coming to any strange place. The kids themselves get attached to this place very, very nicely.
Okay. And do you feel that anything could be better?
Yeah, at times, of course, there are areas of improvement, but they are not in the terms of teaching, but they can be in the terms of administration. And always administration has always a scope of improvement. So there's no one particular area. But of course, in case of admin, of course, there are many areas in which they can improve upon. But that is like it's a slow process. But even on the scale of teaching and all, I believe the kids are getting best of the available facilities.
Okay. And finally, if you were to recommend some other parents to PAC on a scale of 5, how likely are you to recommend them? 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest?
Because I know Vijay, I would like to give 6 out of 5. But to keep it on a more, practical way, I would put it around 4. So they also feel to strive more. It has scope of improvement. So 4.5 would be the way I would like to give them marks out of 5.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thanks.